Hi friends, let me show you this MOTOPOWER battery tester, car battery tester for 12 volts batteries that I received for reviewing purposes. It's really simple to use. You get the user manual. You can do different kind of tests as we will see. You can test the actual battery charge, how it evolves when you start the car, how it is charging it, and the actual charging wave of the car. You can print some screenshots. So it's great to have this in your house so you can test your battery whenever you think it's necessary. You can test different kinds of batteries, AGM kinds, gel batteries, EFB, and models like JIS, GB, etc. Mine is DIN, and a different range of amperage. Okay, so this is a must-have if you want to be very safe and sorry with your car, to know exactly how your battery is working. Thank you. Let's test it. We're gonna test the battery. We are going to do a quick test first. This is a 320 amperes. And this is the result, 12 volts. It's okay. Live 100%, state of charge 100%. Perfect. Now we're going to do a standard test. This is an EFB battery. It is a DIN model, and it's 320 amperes as we know, right? Okay. And again, we get the same result. Well, a little less charge, but everything great. So this way, you can, you can know how your battery is working. So that's great, okay? Now we're going to test the start, okay? Right. Okay. Okay, perfect. 12 volts. Everything great. So it's charging perfectly with the current, okay? So this way you can know how your battery is working, and this battery is working great.